I spent over 65 hours testing Brevo and these 8 other email marketing tools. So in this Brevo review, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing automation, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score Brevo out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if Brevo is the best email marketing provider for you. Ease of use. Brevo's platform is fast and easy to navigate. The layout makes sense, the interface is clean, and whether you're brand new to email marketing or you've been doing it for years, you'll feel comfortable right away. The dashboard gives you helpful suggestions for getting started, and there's a smooth campaign creation process that's simple to follow. There's also a help button you can click from almost anywhere on the platform when you need that personal support. Brevo has a drag and drop email editor that is easy to use and runs smoothly. There are 13 blocks you can choose from to create your emails. Even though it's missing some engagement focused blocks like survey and countdown timer blocks that other platforms offer, it still gets the job done. Brevo provides 48 email templates that all work well on all devices, and their design look professional and appealing. You can also upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand library for consistent branding. Plus, you can save content blocks like footers to reuse across different emails, which saves time. Brevo's landing page editor provides an okay selection of 16 simple templates. However, you will only start having access to use one landing page from the standard plan onwards, which is a real negative when you compare to their competitors. Another frustrating part is that their actual landing page feels clunky and disconnected from their much smoother email editor, making it hard to get designed just right. Trying to make pages look good on both desktop and mobile takes a lot of tweaking, and the editor is slow, which also adds to the frustration. The forms are surprisingly advanced though. You can let subscribers choose which list they want to join based on their interests or industry, and even ask multiple choice questions. However, there are no form templates, so you need to design from scratch. Adding custom fields takes extra steps, and you can't A/B test forms either. But if you want to start your own high converting landing page and email marketing campaign that gets you the leads you need for your business, then you can go here to collect the 8-step guide to creating lead magnets that convert for free. Overall, I give Brevo a 4.5 for ease of use. They excel with their user-friendly interface and smooth email editor, but they lost half a point for the clunky landing page builder. Features. You can import contacts by uploading a CSV file or directly from tools like MailChimp through Brevo's built-in connections. Brevo lets you create filters that work as segments based on contact information and behavior like email opens and clicks. Unfortunately, Brevo doesn't have the tagging feature, and they don't track which country subscribers sign up from, which is unusual compared to other email services. This is where Brevo really shines. Their automation editor lets you set up smart triggered campaigns based on contact data, email engagement, web behavior, and e-commerce activity. They also have lead scoring, which is much more than you expect from a platform at this low price point. Brevo connects with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify, which makes e-commerce workflows much easier. The Zapier integration opens up connection to hundreds of additional tools as well for more flexibility. This is where Brevo really stands out from competitors. Unlike most email platforms that only focus on email, Brevo handles email, SMS, WhatsApp, push notifications, and live chat all in one place. This makes it perfect for businesses that want to reach customers across multiple channels without juggling different platforms. Unlike some competitors, Brevo doesn't offer built-in tools for selling digital products or creating paid newsletters directly. You'll need to rely on third-party integrations for e-commerce functionality. However, their strong automation features make them well suited for supporting online businesses through automated workflows. Brevo's deliverability rate is decent at 74.7%, which is acceptable but not up there with the industry leaders. While this means most of your emails will still reach the inbox, it's not as strong as some competitors who achieve rates in the 90s. Brevo provides most of the reports you'll need, including click maps, location tracking, and Google Analytics integrations. You can also access conversation data if you've connected an e-commerce platform. However, custom reports aren't available. One important note is that if you're on a starter plan or lower, your access to data is quite limited. For example, you won't be able to see which specific links were clicked in your messages. Overall, I give Brevo a 4.5 for features. They excel with multi-channel marketing and strong automation. They only lose half a point for limited monetization options and restricted reporting on lower plans. And if you want to get started and test this out for yourself, you can click on the link in the description of this video or type this into your browser and you'll be able to sign up for Brevo's basic plan for free or get my special 50% discount on any of their paid plans. Customer support. Brevo doesn't offer hands-on migration support. They position themselves as a self-serve platform instead. While their customer success team can guide you through the process, you'll have to do the heavy lifting yourself, importing contacts, recreating automations, and all that. They offer built-in tools for importing contacts from email platforms like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, which comes in handy. Brevo has a solid 4.3 rating with almost 7,000 reviews, which is very good overall. However, the main complaint that keeps coming up is their strict policy on account usage. If they detect any suspicious activity, they won't hesitate to freeze or even shut down your accounts. It was also reported that they had quite slow support, and some say that customer support was not great at all. So I suggest keeping an eye out for these two issues. Brevo provides a universal help button that gives you access to their comprehensive knowledge base or lets you leave a message for support. There's also the Brevo Academy, which is great for email marketing beginners. Phone support is available to professional and enterprise users on Monday through to Friday, but they no longer have live chat support on any plans. Overall, I give Brevo customer support a 4. They provide good resources and helpful support, losing only a point for the lack of live chat and sometimes needing multiple interactions to resolve issues. Pricing. This is where Brevo really shines with their unique pricing model. Instead of charging based on the number of contacts like most competitors, Brevo charges based on how many emails you send. This is a game changer for businesses with large contact lists. The free plan gives you 300 emails per day, which is about 9,000 per month, with unlimited contact storage. The starter plan begins at $9 per month for 5,000 emails with unlimited contacts, and moving up to the standard plan will cost you $18 per month. This pricing model means you can build a huge email list without worrying about costs until you actually send more emails. Compare this to competitors who might charge you hundreds per month for 10,000 contacts, even if you only email them once a month. Overall, I give Brevo a 5 for pricing. Their email-based pricing model is awesome and offers great value, especially for businesses with large contact lists who don't send daily emails. Overall, I scored Brevo a 4.5. Brevo is a great choice for businesses looking for modern multi-channel marketing platform that offers great value for money. However, if you need built-in e-commerce features, extensive template libraries, or advanced reporting capabilities, you might want to consider this alternative I recommend here. But if you're ready to get started with Brevo, then watch this full Brevo tutorial next.